So ngayon, yung hinahabol naman natin is yung attachments naman sa ating ITR. Yung deadline nito is April 30 and that is using the EAFS. So kung hindi nyo pa napanood yung video natin about EAFS, you can click on our link dun sa ating video description. So ito yung mga attachments na required for our BMBE friends. So una sa lahat is the financial statements. So lahat ng BMBE, again, required to submit the financial statements. Pag BMBE kasi, automatic yan na itemized deduction. And pag itemized deduction tayo, required mag-submit lahat. I mean, lahat ng itemized deduction ay required mag-submit ng financial statements. So nagkakatalo na lang, it's either audited financial statements or unaudited financial statements yung isasabit natin. So yung basis niyan is yung gross annual sales natin. So pag more than 3 million na yung gross annual sales natin, kailangan na audited ito or yung certified by an accredited certified public accountant. So nakalagay doon, mag-audit sila ng inyong financial statements and then may opinion doon with regards to your financial statements if they are fairly stated and presented. So, if hindi naman required yung audited financial statements, pwedeng kayo na mismo yung mag-prepare. So, mamaya papakita ko yung example ng mga financial statements na kailangan natin. So, complete financial statements yung isasubmit natin as our attachments. So, second is yung statement of management responsibility for the annual income tax return. So, may ano lang ito, template. So, papakita ko sa inyo. And you can click on our link dun sa description so that mada-download nyo yung Word file so that mas easier for you to edit. I-edit nyo yung business name nyo or yung taxpayer name nyo. Kailangan kasi kayo yung magsasign doon. So next is the sworn statement of assets owned. So this is specifically for the BMBE because pag BMBE kasi yung pinaka main point dito is hindi lalampas ng 3 million yung assets natin. So that's why it's required. And by the way, this is pag sworn statement, always remember pag sworn, kailangan siyang notarized.